What makes Soba unique according to your opinion?
Well, Soba is a very unique place. I mean, I have been in the academia for more than 14, 15 years, but Soba is different. The energy here is very different. The kind of opportunities that we provide and the pedagogy that we use is also very different. First of all, you must have heard of STEM, right? So there are opportunities for parents to put their children in STEM courses. But then what the industry has discovered that STEM can be still taught. However, creativity cannot be taught. So there are STEAM courses where you try to inculcate creativity. Then there are STREAM courses where you try to teach reading, writing, communication skills and creatively doing so. So Soba is different. Soba gives all that. Soba is not just a place where you learn the management concepts, because that any BBA does. We do those management concepts. We stack them. Actually, we stack them at the bottom, all management concepts. Then we stack the marketing fundamentals over that. Then we build the branding concepts over that. And then we are offering specializations in either digital media or in creative communication. Which means that any student who comes out of this college cannot be your run-of-the-mill management professional. He will be a specialist in something, and therefore he is very employable. If you take that person and put them back into business, he will take the business and build a brand story out of it. If you take that person and put them in a company, he will be able to evaluate whether that company's communication is good for the company and good for furthering the interest of the company. If you put that person as part of a marketing team, he will be able to look at the entire product management and brand management part of it, because they do it through so many courses. And over the 4 years, the person becomes skillful and develops a keen eye as to how to take this brand or take whichever brand they are working on, how to take that forward. We are very particular about theory. We believe in rigorous theoretical concepts, but then that's only part of the story. We always try to tell the student, we test the student on theoretical concepts, but as soon as they are done with that, we ask them, are you able to now leverage practice on it? And therefore, most of the learning is also supplemented by getting the industry person into the classroom. And there is heavy pressure on the faculty. How many guest lectures have you had? Why don't you call so and so? If the faculty is not able to, we help the faculty by getting a guest lecturer into the classroom. Because when you get industry into the classroom, you make an industry ready professional. Everybody is offering theory. We offer practice and we offer skill based education. That's what we